Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use Smoke Name Art Maker that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So here I am in my Google Play Store, and in here search in Smoke Name Art Maker. Alright, here it is, the first one. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this application. As you can see, you can customize the text, you can add designs, fonts, change fonts, add frames, text font, smoke art, text color, typography, and so much more. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that you can design and create awesome love cards, posters, logos, quotes, and colorful name art with fantastic effects. You can decorate and stylize your text with a fantastic Smoke Name Art application. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is the interface, and as you can see, you will see the options below. These are the tools that you can apply to your text. So let's see here, let's double tap this right away and let's write something. Let's just say I love this channel. Tap the check mark here at the top right, and you can customize the text, okay, by tapping this one here, the fonts. So you can change it to like this. Okay, let's try different one. Okay, this is also good. How about this one? Okay, this one's cool. Let's try this, and let's make the text a little bit bigger, like that. And then we can also change the color if you want to. Color black, green. So you have the option to do that. I prefer that one. So also this one is blur. This is transparency, I'm sorry. So you can customize the transparency, okay, by making it invisible or just like that. And this one here is where you can center your page, justify your page. So this one here is the border. As you can see, it has added a border. So the intensity of the border depends on how much you scroll this one here. So you can, this is the 0, or it doesn't have border. Then if you move it to the right, then you will notice that it will become visible. So that's the border. It looks cool, so I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle, and then I will also try this one here. Is you can crop. If you want to crop, if you press this one here, then you have these options where you can change the size. So if you want this to be your wallpaper size, then that it's going to be look like that. So I prefer the original. And let me just drag and drop this to where it belongs, just like that. And also frames. So just select the tools in here. This is the frames where you can add frames like that. So really, it's really simple. Okay, this is this one looks cool. All right, I will add this one. This one here is the fonts, or where you can write text. I'm going to skip that part since we're done with that. And this one here is the background design. You can actually add multiple backgrounds there. I'm just going to delete this, so to remove extra filters, and just tap this one here, the X button, And if you want to change or replace this one here, you can even add your you can even do that. If you do not want the smoke background for your text, then you can choose this one. So you have the option to choose none, or you can select any of these. So as you can see, there's a lot of options to choose from. Okay, it's really amazing. This one looks amazing, so I'm going to choose this one. And let's say that I'm done with these editings, but as you can see, you can you can scroll to the right and look for more amazing designs if you want to. See, there's a lot of more options. So I prefer this one. Okay, where was that? Okay, this one. So I like this one. And next is I'm going to save this now. Also, you have the option to again use this to crop the image. Okay, you have this option here, the sizes. I'm going to skip that part. And let's say that I'm done, so I'm just going to hit this one here, the arrow up, and then allow. All right, so this is the preview of the final result, and we have the option to save it to our phone or share it to our social media account. So this one here, by tapping this one, it will save to our gallery. So yes, there's a rating in here. No, I'm going to do that later on. This one here is where you can Instagram. I think this is an icon for Instagram. Okay, so it's an icon for Instagram. Yes, that is correct. I don't have Instagram, Facebook, and so much more. So that's how easy it is. So you want to create more text, style your text, then just select or double tap. Just select your text again and edit the text. Change the text to something like your name or company logo. It's up to you. So let's try one more time. Non-stop coding tutorial. Hit the check mark and let's make this text a little bit smaller. I think it's too big. Also the fonts, I need to change the fonts. Okay, this one's also really good as well. Okay, let me just like that. Okay, looks cool. And the fonts, let's try, I prefer this one. This one looks amazing. This is the alignment. Okay, and this is the border. So just like that. And also this one here is okay, you can customize the color. It's amazing. Okay, green. Let's try the green one. Frames, you can change the frames if you want. Okay, that one's good. This one, I see. All right, so let's use this one here. These are the quotes that I have mentioned earlier. So I forgot that you can also scroll this to the right, so you still have options here. So let me remove this one and add the quotes. Let's just select a different one. Okay, that's this one. Do not give up. Just like that. And change the color. Alright, I prefer the white one. And think that's it. Okay, let's just change this one to this, and then we can also change or add. Okay, this one's good. I think this one's good. All right, that one. Okay, let's say that I have done with this. I'm going to save this now. So just tap this one here, the arrow, this slanted arrow here at the top right. Okay, just tap that one, and then here you have this option to download to your phone. So tap this one and it will be saved to your gallery. All right, that's how simple it is. Then you have the option to share to your Instagram or Facebook. So that's how easy it is to use this application, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.